Hey guys, welcome back to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon. I've somehow managed to crack the case. So I've been trying to run Elden Ring all day on my Intel Iris 540. Never got it, never was able to actually make it run, but I did notice something. That little crash fix I just showed you at the beginning where you try to launch the game, it shows you the white screen then it blanks out. I actually managed to fix that. I don't know if it might work for you guys, but I decided I show you guys and see if you guys have any better luck with it. So basically, you simply need to change the config file around from full screen to borderless. If it's running in full screen, the game doesn't run for some reason or another. So basically what I'll do, I'll leave my config file which I changed to borderless in the description down below. You're simply gonna go into the folders I'm about to show you and change it around. Now this is the folder I'm using. I don't know why I clicked on Internet Explorer there. That was kind of silly of me. And we have it here. We're simply going to change this from full screen to borderless. Once it's changed to borderless, you can simply just save that and copy the file. You're simply going to go into the C folder now, users, name, app data, Roman, and in here is where Elden Ring will be. If you have not launched the game, Elden Ring will not be here. You'll simply copy and paste it, and then you'll launch the game. That's it. I'm going to show you the game launching afterwards now, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more great content. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. I don't know. I just thought I should share it and let you guys know if it, tell me if it ran.